Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off the Discord overlay. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Discord and here I click on the cogwheel next to my profile name. In the settings I scroll down until I reach Game Overlay in the activity settings. In this menu I find various functions for display names or the position for the game overlay. To enable or disable the overlay, all I have to do is to click on this slider. Now the Discord overlay is turned off. So it's actually quite simple if you know where the function is hidden in Discord. And that's all you have to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.